These days, it's common wisdom that videos are a great way to market a company. But if you're like us, you need some hard evidence. So we researched the effectiveness of video as an online marketing tool, and we'll share some of the highlights with you here. Online content works for all the same reasons that blogs work, but videos deliver superior results in the three areas that matter most to marketers: attracting new prospects, converting those prospects to customers, and retaining and growing those customers. Like blogs and web pages, videos and pages with videos can and should be optimized for keywords. While a popular search term may be nearly impossible to rank for as a web page, as a video, Google might slip you in ahead of the pack, like here. In fact, Forrester research found that videos improve the chances of getting page 1 listings on Google by 53 times. That's not 53%, that's 53 times more likely to get on the first page for any given search term. Plus, eConsultancy found that videos in the universal search results have a 41% higher click-through rate than the plain text results. Including your video in an email increases the click-through rate by 96%. That's nearly twice as many people coming to your site. Okay, so once you get people to your site, you need to convert those prospects into customers. Comscore found that after watching a video, 64% of users are more likely to buy a product online. Real SEO revealed that 40% of shoppers visited a store online or in person as a direct result of watching a video. Among executives, Forbes found that 50% look for more information after seeing a product or service in a video, and that 65% of senior executives visited a company's website after watching a video. Customer retention is all about engaging with your customers and staying top of mind. Whenever you put out a new video, promote it on social media and to your email list. Eloqua found that by providing content regularly and using videos, your email opt-outs can be reduced by as much as 75%. HubSpot found that 2/3 of Twitter users felt that it's worth watching videos tweeted by brands. Research from Mist Media finds the average user spends 88% more time on a website with video. Don't get me wrong, blogs have their place. In fact, the text blog of this video has even more amazing statistics too detailed to cover here. But for measurable results with your content, the video advantage is clear. If you need some ideas on how to easily and cost-effectively launch a video series for your company, give us a call. Or if you're shy, just fill out our questionnaire and we'll send you back 3 free ideas in an email.